Do you edit Wikipedia articles and you find it really difficult to add the citations or the references to your article? Well, in this video, I'll show you simple tricks by which you can seamlessly add different sources of references to your Wikipedia article by using ChatGPT. And I'll tell you simple prompts by which you can seamlessly add different websites to your Wikipedia article. So let's get started. So now I want to generate a reference for my Wikipedia article, but that reference need to be inline. For example, this paragraph, you can see these references are there already, and these are known as inline citations. So the unique thing about these inline citations is that these websites, the references, also have the title over here. So as you can see, it has a title and then it has a built-in link with it. So I will show you how you can make this. So you first have to go to the ChatGPT and you have to write this prompt: generate inline citation ref for Wikipedia article. Now it will make a inline citation. So now you have to paste the website that you want to make an inline citation. Now I will paste this website from Palmy Times. Paste. Now you can see that it will automatically make an inline citation for that particular article. It has already made this prompt. So when I made this prompt, it has provided me with the correct reference, but there is one thing missing over here, that access date needs to be mentioned. So what you have to do is that add access date as 3 December, today's date I'll put. Now it will make the access date over here as 3rd of December. Now it's complete. So you copy the code and you just paste it over where you want to use this thing. Copy code, and you just have to paste it over here. Click on show preview. As you can see that it correctly has inserted the reference over here, which is nice to see. So this is how you can easily add a reference to your Wikipedia article. If you are not familiar with the Wikipedia reference system, that how it implements the reference system into its articles. So this is a very simple step. By using ChatGPT, you can do it. So hope you like this video, and this video was informative to you guys. So if you want more content like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting soon. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.